Why are you still paying hundreds of dollars every month for software subscriptions? In 2026, open source and free AI tools for dollars. Here are 5 free AI tools that feel literally illegal to know. Tool number 1 is LM Studio. Stop sharing your data with big tech. LM Studio lets you run models directly on your laptop or PC, completely offline and free. Tool number 2 is Aiton. If you're using Zapier or Make, you're overpaying, is free and open source. It lets you build AI workflows and automate tasks without writing code. Tool number 3 is CapCut Desktop. It brings elite AI video editing features right to your computer. From auto captions and background removal to smart tracking, it saves hours of editing time without needing a heavy Adobe subscription. Tool number 4 is Obsidian. Think of it as a second brain. It connects all your notes, research, and ideas into a visual graph network, allowing you to organize your entire digital life with local markdown files. Tool number 5 is Canva's free AI suite. You don't need Photoshop to create viral thumbnails or graphics. Its built-in AI generators let you transform simple text prompts into stunning visuals in seconds.